This 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 238 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Tucson, Arizona 85704 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tucson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.